Hello my friends, it's NGWorld. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to share with you amazing remedy for dark places. If you do have dark neck, dark underarms and dark places, this remedy works 100%, whiten the skin tone naturally and will get you fair, spotless and glowing skin with very simple ingredients. Removes the melanin production in your skin and will whiten the skin naturally without side effects with all natural ingredients. The first ingredient we need to add is 1 teaspoon of rice flour يعني كيتشافا الكاتا and add on it half teaspoon of baking soda Then we need to add the magical ingredient, which is 1 teaspoon of toothpaste, and you can use any toothpaste available for you. I prefer to use white toothpaste. Then we need 1 lemon. And cut the lemon in half and add 1 fresh lemon juice. Now mix well all the ingredients. Once you mixed and combined all the ingredients together like so, our magical remedy is ready. And as you can tell, it's all combined together and it became like a white cream. Now our magical remedy is ready. Apply it on your neck and apply it on the dark places, and it's going to whiten the skin for you. Leave it for 15 minutes and then rinse it with warm water followed by cold water to close the pores. And my friends, the result will amaze you from first use. Whiten the dark places and it's very effective naturally. I hope that video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, turn on the bell icon to never miss effective remedies. Leave a nice comment and give that video a big like, and I will see you in my next video. I love you guys.